In this video, I will show you how to import web-based data to NVivo 12 Mac using NCapture. When we look at the instruction from NVivo 12 Mac, we can see that NCapture is a free web browser extension for Chrome that enables you to gather web content to import into NVivo. But still it says most web pages can be captured as PDFs, and you can also capture some pages from Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as datasets. Importing web-based data to NVivo using NCapture is a two-step process. In the first step, we capture data from websites, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, etc. And in the second step, then we import that data from our download folder to NVivo project. To begin with, let's capture website data using NCapture. These are the 6 steps which, if you follow, you would be able to capture or download website data using NCapture. The orange text is the key text which you might have to click while doing this process. So let's try it together now. Open Google Chrome and also open the web page which you want to capture. In this case, I have opened this NVivo page which I want to download. So I would go and click on the NCapture icon from the top right side of my computer. And once I click on it, I will receive this window. It has 2 options. One is web page as PDF, in which I would see also the home, about, video, and all these functions, whereas the other is article as PDF, which means that I would only get installing NCapture for computer or for NVivo, and then I would only get this article. So once I make this choice, I would be given some spaces to type information in. So I automatically, as a default, the NCapture type, the name which appear on the web page. So for example, in this case, it's installing NCapture for Chrome. And then I would need to provide a description and also a code at node name. So in this case, I give it a name NCapture so that I can easily identify it. Similarly, if I click on Memo, it would ask a few more information, which is very easy. Once I'm happy with all this information, I would click on Capture, and as soon as I click on Capture, a download will begin. Once you press the Capture button, after that, if you want to see the progress of your download, you will go back to the same page and capture icon, and instead of filling the form, this time you would click on show capture progress page, and it would then show you whatever capturing or downloading items are there and the progress of it. This small pop-up screen will come for a few seconds, which will show you that the download has started. If you want to go and have a look at the downloads, click on show all downloads. This is how you can see the status of the captures. So for example, the first one is a video capture, and the status is green, which means the capture is complete. And the second video was with comments, so retrieving comments took ages, and therefore I stopped it. There was a similar stop sign in front of it, so I stopped the capturing or the download, and that's why it started getting yellow. And the third time, then I went to another video, and then I tried to capture comments with comments, because there were a few comments in there and I wanted to see how it would look like when it's downloaded, and I didn't stop it. So this is very useful in that sense that you can see how the progress is going, and it takes time, so it gives you a reassurance that yes, the work is going on. Once the status of your capture is green, this means you have successfully downloaded the web data to your computer and it's ready for import. These are the 7 steps which, if you follow, you would be able to import and capture data from your download folder to your NVivo project. Let's practice it. Open the NVivo project to which you want to import the web data and go to Data tab, and from there select NCapture. A new window will appear which will by default have selected the recent NCapture download. You can simply click on import, or if you want to import a previously captured NCapture web data, you will click on the small arrow on the top and it will take you to the download folder, which you can browse and select the item which you want to import. Once you are happy with the file, click on import. Soon you would be able to see this icon showing the progress of the import. Once the import is complete, you would see the screen which will have the name already written for you, and it would automatically create some classification as well. You would click on Done at the bottom. We can see that we have now imported installing NCapture for Chrome web data to our NVivo project. It automatically came under files. I dragged it to the literature folder. Now this file installing NCapture for Chrome is codable, so when I selected the text and right click, I could copy it, I could export it, I could code selection, I could code NVivo, and all these things could be done with it, so it's completely workable. Part of the data could also be seen under nodes, as we had given it a name NCapture. So if we click on nodes and look, we can find the node NCapture. By clicking on it, we get 2 tabs. The first one is summary and the second one is reference. Summary only provides a link to the Webspace, whereas the reference would give us an image and some details underneath. This is the end of capturing web data using NCapture and importing it to NVivo Mac 2012.